With all the indulgence at this time of year,
I'm in big trouble.
this week we're making a salad from the Santa Claus.
Nice to meet you, Santa.
This tangy fresh recipe is just what the doctor ordered.
Delicious seasonal favorite.
But not Neil, he's not a doctor.
He's not a doctor, he's a psychiatrist.
Welcome to Bite Club. Let's cook.
Great! I'm starving. And I'll have a Caesar, no dressing. And one of those homemade cookies, the warm chocolate chip, no nuts. And a little slice of cheesecake, creme brulee, and hot fudge sundae. Extra hot fudge.
A Caesar salad without dressing is frankly barbaric.
Not necessarily.
So we're ignoring Santa's one instruction and starting with the sauce. Mash up 2 little anchovies.
No, thank you, Judy.
They provide that distinct umami typical of Caesar dressing, so soz, but they're non-negotiable.
He's sucking us into his delusions.
Don't panic, it's not going to taste super fishy. If you don't include them, well, then you're going to taste something fishy going on. The base of the dressing is mayo, and we need 4 tablespoons of the good stuff. This will make enough for 4 starter portions or 2 mains. Mince in half a clove of garlic as fine as you can, and if you don't have a microplane, then be sure to stick one on the Christmas list.
What list?
Next, go in with half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, the same of Worcestershire sauce, and a hint of acidity courtesy of half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a decent crap of black pepper. Grate in about 10 grams of parmesan. Aside from the anchovies, the seasoning comes from the cheese, so we're going to be quite generous with it.
I am lactose intolerant.
If like mine your dressing is a little thick, then drop in a teaspoon of water to thin it out. Homemade croutons provide the perfect crunchy, salty hit, and they're super simple to make.
Which is great.
Dice a slice or 2 of nice bread into 1.5 centimetre cubes. Toss in a glug of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt, and bake in a 190C oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway until they're golden brown and crunchy all over.
Oh.
Then, for an extra hit of salty crunch, Parmesan crisps are a simple and delicious way to add a fancy flourish this festive season.
You said you're lactose intolerant.
Grate 30 grams of fresh Parmesan onto a lined baking sheet. Whack that in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes at 190 fan until golden brown. Once the cheese is cooled and hardened, you can break it up into shards of crunchy cheesy goodness. I'm going with the classic romaine as the base, but kale is another great option. Add the croutons and the dressing, and toss until everything is perfectly coated. Then, for a decadent festive flourish, let it snow yet more cheese.
Really? Boy.
And finally, top with your crunchy bits. And that, friends, is how you make the salad from the Santa Claus.
You really are Santa Claus.
Forget milk and cookies this Christmas, and serve Santa a Caesar with dressing.
Pretty cool, huh?
But wait, want to get your teeth into more Bite Club?
Well, you missed me already?
Well, you can find all our recipes and any equipment used in our videos over on biteclub.tv.
Please, Mom?
Remember, the first rule of Bite Club is you talk about Bite Club.